Good evening from the Rooster Inn Observatory. In this video I will show you how to stream directly from your tablet, from your Android tablet, the Seestar, DWARF Lab or Singularity video feeds, and for that matter anything that the tablet can show. I have a Lenovo 8-inch tablet and it's running Android 11. Start by going to YouTube. Opens up YouTube, and then you go to the little plus at the bottom and say go live. In this case it has opened up a camera that's staring at the ceiling. Rooster Inn Observatory is live. I'm going to set the visibility to unlisted for now. I can always change it later to public. Audience, etc. Advanced settings. First of all, screencast has to be turned on, so you're streaming the screen, and then under advanced setting you can choose orientation, vertical or horizontal, and whether you want to allow chat or not. Going back, next, and we are effectively live. It says screen orientation is default. You're about to enter screen broadcast mode. Got it? And start recording or casting with YouTube. Start now. And here we are. I can turn off the camera and the microphone. I can turn it on or off as necessary. Enable chat as needed. And make that a lot smaller because we do not need it. And then it's just a matter of go live. It is going live. The stream has started, and now anything that shows up here is going to be streamed live on YouTube. There is Seestar. By the same token, I can have DWARF Lab. Anytime you click down here, it will show you that we're still going live, how many viewers there are, and if you want to change any of the settings, you can pause the stream and then you can resume it. And then same thing with Singularity. Effectively, anything that shows up on your screen is being streamed live. And that's it for this simple video. Hope you find it useful. So long from the Rooster Inn Observatory.